This is a quick tutorial on how to find your certificate for GamiCon48V 2025. Go to the achievements page, scroll down to find the different ranks you have earned throughout your journey, and choose the one to show on your certificate. Click on it. Once it shows on the right hand side, double click on it so it activates that specific rank. Make sure when you open up your profile it shows on the upper part of it. Then click on the View Certificate button and you will be brought to this page where all you have to do is print the file and save as a PDF or print it directly in your printer. Here I am choosing to only show the first page, and make sure that you activate the Show Backgrounds images. That way it will show the actual rank. After that, all you have to do is save the file and you will have your certificate ready to print or share wherever you want. Thanks for being part of it. May the force be with you.